Welcome to the much anticipated launch and introduction of the DNA Dual Airfryer Oven. There are 5 jaw-dropping advantages that make the Dual Airfryer Oven one of a kind. The first one is the dual zone technology that allows you to cook 2 different meals in separate 18-litre chambers at one go. And what makes this technology so impressive is that you can remove the center divider to create one massive 36-litre chamber for hungry families and get-togethers. Then, our 2-year warranty gives you the confidence that you are choosing an air fryer with premium components that are built to last. The DNA Dual Airfryer Oven features rapid air technology, making cooking lightning fast and efficient, with 2 elements on the top and 2 elements on the bottom, as well as 2 fans creating a vortex of circulating super hot air, making sure your meals are done in no time. Also, the DNA Dual Airfryer Oven features Dual Glazed, visible glass, so that your little ones can't burn their fingers and that you can see what you're cooking at all times. The ultra stylish French doors allow you to access the entire chamber with ease, make cleaning easy, and once again we give you steel outer casing with steel inner casing. But that's not all. The DNA Dual Airfryer Oven does not come with 1, 5 or 10 accessories, but with at least 15 food grade accessories made from stainless steel 304, so that you can have peace of mind that there's no leaching of toxic gas and no possibility of any coating rubbing off whilst cleaning. So, if you are tired of your average run-of-the-mill air fryer that just doesn't have the space nor the versatility that you require, get your hands on the mother of all air fryers and take your cooking to a new level.